This video is going to show how to wind bobbins and thread your bobbin case for a Pfaff 362 or 360. I believe this also applies to models 230, 332, and 338. So first you have your spool pins up top. Put your spool on. There's a thread guide up here over top this plate, and then basically here's where your bobbin winder is. You want to undo the balance wheel release knob so your wheel can spin free with the motor being disengaged, and basically your bobbin just sits on top. There's a little pin that this sits down into, and basically you just come through this hole on the top. You may want to wind it once around your bobbin. Some people tie it knots. Wrap it a couple times. Get it on there, and then you've got this little clip. Push it, it's engaged, and then make sure your thread's free of any of the other points. Press the pedal, and then away it winds. I don't have the pedal hooked up, but that gives you an example. And then when it fills, it has a release on it, or you can manually release it, pull it off. So when you go to thread your bobbin case, inside is a slot that runs up and to the right. That's important when you take your bobbin with your thread coming over it to the right. You want to go back in opposite direction of that little slit. So you pull back through. You've got your tensioning tab. Pull it under. There should be a little tab here, and then it's in place, and it should hold itself. Slight tension to pull it. There's a screw here for your tension adjust, and then basically for popping it in the machine. You pull this open, and if you can see inside, let me undo one of these. You can see the bobbin case holder, the shuttle assembly, and then you put with your wide opening in the up position. Clicks into place, and there you have it.